Good Monday morning. Thank you for tuning in for another tutorial. If this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell so you don't miss anything. Today, I'll show you how to make this simple baby bottle centerpiece. Let's get started. And we're done, just in time for breakfast. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share my videos with your family and friends. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you here, same time on Monday.